How to change iOS 18. Photo app. Get back to the old iOS 17 Photos app. In this super quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the iOS 18 photo app to feel more like the old iOS 17 version. While you can't get it back to exactly how it was before, I've got a simple trick that will make it way better. So let's dive in. Now, if you've been using iOS 18, you've probably noticed how messy the Photos app is now. You have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find certain things. And worst of all, when you're playing a video, you no longer get that preview scrubber across the bottom that lets you see what's coming up. Personally, that's really frustrating, but don't worry. While we can't fully go back to the old iOS 17 layout, here's how you can clean it up and get something much closer to what you're used to. First, open your Photos app. Then press Customize and Reorder. You'll see a bunch of options there. Untick everything except for media types, albums, and utilities. These are the essentials to keep things neat. Next, if you want albums at the top like it used to be in iOS 17, just drag it up to the top. Once you've organized everything how you want, press the X in the corner to save your changes. Now, it's not a perfect solution, but the layout is much cleaner and way closer to how it felt in iOS 17. And that's it. A super easy way to get your iOS 18 Photos app looking a bit more familiar. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks so much for watching.